Okay.
Oh, that's
Now you can come and get your puppy.
Oh my gosh, it's a bike. Royalty cup. Oh, look at me. I'm tall. I'm tall. I'm so tall.
I'll take it down a little bit if you want.
Yeah, I
Hey, that one, hey, that's from Nana and Pup.
Thank you, Nana and Pup. Was that in the car or was it out there?
It was out there.
I know! It was a bike! Right when I saw it, it was shaped like a bike and it was a bike.
Nuh-uh.
I want to put this in my hair.
Okay.
Hey, Dad, where's
I bet you thought it was a pogo.
She was just there. Where did she go? Let's go get Olivia back here.
Let's go like this.
Once you just...
Thank you, Nana and Pup. Thank you for the bike. I love you.
We forgot somebody.
Oh, Daddy and Buddy. I got this in my hair.
It's either Amanda's here or Olivia's here. I don't
Okay.
know. I mean, Amy's here. I don't know which
I have a bike.
probably Amanda.
Hey, I have a bike
All right.
like this. Hey, can I
Tell them bye. Hey, tell them bye.